Hey everybody, I am back in Georgia at a place where I like to go take pictures of old junk cars. This is a former junkyard about a half an hour outside of Atlanta where the owner will now let you go on the property for a small price to walk around. And I thought it might be interesting just to walk down one of the lanes and look at the old cars here. And as you can see, the light is pretty harsh today, but I'm not exaggerating when I tell you that this is just a small fraction of the cars available here. They claim to have 6 miles of paths, just like this one, lined with cars, and in a lot of those paths, they're literally stacked on top of each other. So, a lot to look at here. Sorry about the crunching underfoot. There's a lot of dry leaves on the ground, so you may have to turn me down after this. No more narration after this.